Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the approval and rejection workflow within the People Allocation app of KEBS. Once a resource has been allocated by a resource manager to an allocation request, a workflow is triggered where the project manager who raised the allocation request need to either approve or reject the request. This approval can be done by the project manager by navigating to the request he or she had raised within the project and viewing the status timeline where the approve and reject buttons are present for the approval or rejection to be done. If the user rejects the allocation, the resource manager is notified the same and reallocation can be done. This reallocation process will be similar to the basic allocation procedure. Once the allocation is done, it is again sent to the project manager for approval. If he or she approves the allocated request, the status changes from allocated to assigned. Thank you for watching.